Everybody's attention. If you're watching us via live feed, we'd like to congratulate everybody who came and made this hard effort and dream come true. Can everybody clap? Lahat po tayo, palakpakan po natin.
And congratulations for a very successful day 1 pa po tayo. Magkakasama-sama pa po tayo up until tomorrow. And earlier, we had so much fun covering the live of our riders here. And to all of you, maraming salamat for joining us for the 2-day FIM TEVES Cup Asia Motocross Championship 2023.
That's correct, Dan. Again, we would like to extend our congratulatory salute. If you have one cold beer, maybe if you have a cold drink, can we all give our loud and proud mag-ingay for Sir Kurt Matthew Teves!
And here you go, congratulations, very successful. And of course, don't forget to share the good news to all the people of the world. Keep on sharing our hashtag, our official poster, our official website, and our official live coverage hanggang bukas, so that the other people would also get to know and see how good our riders and gaano po ka the best yung racetrack natin para sa FIM 2022. Congratulations, Sir Kurt Matthew Teves. Palakpakan natin ulit. And of course, to Sir Axel Teves, congratulations also.
Thank you,
and
Sir
thank
Axel.
you to Congressman Arnie Teves of our Congressman of the 3rd District of the Province of Negros Oriental.
Thank you, sir.
Aksyon, Tulong, Solusyon. Thank you also to the former Governor Pride Henry Teves and Mayor ng Bayawan. Thank you to the Honorable Mayor Jack Teves Raymond.
Sa lahat ng crew and all of our teams who made it sure that you will have a good close and view and angle of all of the riders. For the first time in the Philippine history, that TC22 made it clear that we are live. It's really live this time. So you all have been watching not only that, what you see on your TV with the so-called previews and the international channels. We do have one here, and we're proud that you guys will see replays soon.
Posted on our official Facebook fan page. And again, ladies and gentlemen, we are all making history here.
So to all of you with team hashtag Teves Cares and all of our teams at FIM Asia with our president Maki Karapiat and all of our friends Dr. Punch, and we have
to our track manager, Sir Ted Conde, congratulations.
And our race director and police, Patrick, also with us. We do have our teams, FIM Asia and NAMSA as well, Mr. Romel. And who else with us? Thank you very much, NAMSA, and to all of the international riders and Filipino riders, congratulations.
So let's go with the awarding of our winners, Seb.
So here we have been announcing a while ago that the result we have are unofficial. This time, these are the official
result from our team and on the record, ladies and gentlemen. So we will first award our MX2 Filipino category. Yeah.